This is the brand new entrance elevator. Goes to the waiting room, the emergency parking at the Bryan East Medical Center or Bryan East Health Medical Center in Lincoln, Nebraska. This was installed in 2023. And this is a brand new ThyssenKrupp with Signa4 fixtures. So here we go. This is a hydraulic. This color is blue. This is like folks like ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas. Listen the bell. Let's go 1. Door closed, phone works. I like that. Yep, it's an O'Keefe elevator company, 4500. Yep, it's got a supermarket beat. That's awesome. Elevator number 2060. Your fixtures, Signa4. There's your phone. There's your inspection. Yep, this is what's installed in 2023.
Let's go, Jeffrey. Awesome.
Look, let's watch it close up. There it goes. Look at that traditional cold one. That was a quick video. So that being said, that's it.
Bye.
Bye.